Hello and welcome to the introductory lesson for Math 30-2. So in our first lesson, our focus is going to be on setting up this year's research project and going through the syllabus. We'll do the syllabus first. To find the syllabus, you start at headwayschool.org. Go our staff into the math department, and there you'll find me on the high school math side. Click on my name, and here we go. You find your Math 30-2 either by scrolling down or across the top bar, and this will have our course syllabus. So note that the time here is not confirmed. By the time we actually print the syllabus for your first class, it will be confirmed. There's that contact email, the Google Classroom code, but you've all received your invites by now unless you are new to the school. The Khan Academy code is also important because some of our assignments will be on Khan Academy, and we will be using Perusal this semester as well. So that course code is used. You go to perusal.com, sign in with Google, and use your @Headway account. You can enroll in a course, and you put the course code here, and it will put you in the appropriate course. The classroom rules have not changed since last year. Respect others and their property. Respect yourself, and that includes asking for help when you need it. I understand if you are not comfortable asking for help in front of your peers, but do not let it go. As soon as you are clear, fire me an email. I will be happy to give you the help and expand on the content as necessary. Late policy is the same as last school year. So homework is only marked by completion. So as long as it's done, you get full marks whether it's right or wrong. But anything that is late will be accepted up to 2 school days late. So if it's due on Tuesday, but it's not in until Wednesday or Thursday, it'll be at a 50% penalty. Now these are just school days. So if it's due Friday and Monday's a holiday, Tuesday and Wednesday are the days it will be accepted late with penalty. The assignment schedule is as we are used to. We will do 3 days of homework for each topic. So if we introduce a topic on Tuesday, the homework assignments for it will be due on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. For academic honesty, if there is reason to believe that the work handed in your name is not yours, you will receive a 0, and there will be additional consequences depending on the situation. Now, Math 30-2 is going to be taking another step towards advanced mathematics and some advanced data analysis techniques, particularly regression, which we will be using more of in grade 12 in our physics courses. It's divided into 6 broad units. So we will be doing 3 units per semester in their entirety. So that's the rational expressions and equations, exponentials and logarithms, and representing data. That's that regression I just mentioned. These 3 units will be done before the midterm. We'll also deal with permutations and combinations, probabilities, and logic and reasoning after the midterm. We also have the mathematics research project that will be spread throughout the year. We'll cover that in the next video. Now, the mark distribution, each of these outcomes, there's 3 outcomes here, 2 there, 3 there. Each of these 8 outcomes is equally weighted, and the research project is worth 20%. So the midterm and finals are worth 40% of the mark. Your unit tests are worth 32%, and your homework is worth 8%. So the unit tests are worth 4 times as much as the homework. You can see the percentages here as we go through the bins. Now, as for the testing policy, it will be the same as we had in the second semester of the 2020-2021 school year. At the end of each unit, we'll have a practice test that will be similar to the unit exam, but not the same. That practice test will not be considered for report card grades. It is your opportunity to determine what you do know, what you think you know but misunderstand, which is the key part of the practice test, and then confirm what you need to work on further that you already knew about it. So this is your chance to make sure that you are properly prepared for the unit exam, which will come just a couple of classes later. Finally, at least at the time of this recording, we don't know what things are going to look like in terms of the pandemic this year. So there will be similar support to what we had last year, where we'll have smarter marks so we could do the testing in class or online should another wave break out. I will try to have a digital copy of every lesson. Some of those digital copies will be just in the digital textbooks that I'm creating that you will find on Perusal. Some of them will be on YouTube. If it's on YouTube, it's probably going to be on both because that written textbook is the priority. But that is about all we have to say about the syllabus, and the next part of this lesson will be about the research project.